Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. My name is Mary, and today I'm doing a bonus video, which is a tour of my Christmas decor in my bedroom. I think you will enjoy it because I have really gone all out this year to make it a cheerful place to go to sleep at night. So come on with me as I show you what I've done. So let us enter my Christmas wonderland. There is nothing better than sitting in bed with a delicious hot cup of tea and reading a book like this one, The Stories Behind the Best Loved Songs of Christmas. Such an interesting and full of wonderful stories that book is. Here's a close-up of a sign I bought from an Etsy store. If you're interested in that store, they make wonderful, wonderful signs for all occasions, and I'll link it down in my description box below the video right here on YouTube for you. I just picked up this cute little antique chair at Goodwill for about $6, and of course I'll be refinishing it in a future video after Christmas. Couldn't get that sticker off my Rudolph book without tearing the cover, so I just left it on. And oh my, look at this cute little Santa, which is done by Homeco. And you can see it has a bisque finish that I love. And there's the vintage chest. Really, it's probably an antique that belonged to my great aunts, just in case you've never seen it before. Of course, a cozy bed with lots of blankets is wonderful during this winter season, and I sure am enjoying when I jump into my bed at night. It's so warm and very, very comfortable. Another warm place to sit and read in my bedroom, and this is actually a lazy boy type of piece of furniture, although cheaper of course than the brand name. Very comfy. And on this shelf I have two of my cute little Homeco girls with their red and white dresses. I simply adore them. This big armoire is where I store my television, and decorating the top of it is lots of fun too. Isn't this frosty little golden book darling? My bedroom does have high ceilings since it is vaulted. You can see here. And of course, having a scented candle when you're going to bed is always delightful. Here are two more Christmas pieces, this cream and sugar that I picked up just 2 days ago. I love them with the cardinals, and they go well with that teapot I got and showed you in an earlier thrift haul. Of course, you can't go wrong with darling little lighted lanterns. And this slim tree is just the perfect size to fit here in my bedroom. Look at that cute little Santa. And another close-up of my really beautiful sign that I simply adore, that bright red sign. On this table you see a picture of my daughter on the left and me on the right when we were both babies. See these hankies that I have hanging from my blinds? I just used a little craft clothespin to attach them, and I have been collecting them over the past year or so, and I hope to get this completely filled in with hankies for my valance. They're very vintage looking. After Christmas, I plan to paint this armoire, and I'll share that with you as I do it. And I think you'll really like the color that I have chosen. I guess it'll be a surprise for after Christmas. And in the meantime, everyone, this is Mary saying Merry Christmas again and wishing you a lovely, blessed holiday season. Bye for now.